So another good thing about M1 Finance is, it says right here, serious about security. Rest easy knowing your money is safe with FDIC insurance and military grade encryption. An FDIC insured checking account integrated directly into the M1 app. Now you can use M1 for all your money needs. Direct deposit, pay bills, spend with debit card. Finally, a debit card with rewards. 1.5% APY, 25% national average APY for a checking account. 1% cash back on all purchases, no limits. $0 minimum account balance. And one thing about the M1 Plus that I want to discuss is, right here. There you go. Alright. So, upgrading to M1 Plus for exclusive features and rewards. Reservations are limited. Reserve your card today to get your M1 Plus Visa debit card before anyone else. Isn't that interesting that they say reserve your card today? Reservations are limited. It's nice. It's very gimmicky. And we can see the annual fee is at $50. It says 50 with a 2. I don't know what that 2 is about. Anyways, it shows that the annual fee is 50. Right? That's $50 right there. So anyways, it shows annual fee $50. I don't know what that 2 is about. I mean, 50 times 50, that would make no sense. You know, because 50 squared would be 50 times 50. But we can see the APY 1.5%. You can see the cashback. You got the fancy tungsten metal debit card. ATM fees covered 4 times per month, so you could withdraw 4 times and they'll cover you. Has no minimum balance. Integration with investment account, yes. FDIC insured up to $250K, yes. And early access to M1 spend. Now, see right here, it says regular price for M1 spend is $125 a year, discounted to $50 for the first year. I think that's what it means. $50 for the first year. Now when you guys do the math with the balance of account, with the monthly spend, hold on, let's see what it says here. When you upgrade to, is the $50 you pay for plus 1 worth it? Let's do the math. With an account of $15,000 with a monthly spend of let's just put that. Well, okay, so it's very gimmicky, but one thing I do want to talk about is you do get when you're M Plus